DS. If n is an integer, is n an odd number? Condition 1. N is a prime number greater than 2. Condition 2. N minus 2 is an odd number. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. DS. One variable, question. Condition 1. One equation. Condition 2. One equation. DS question with one variable. Let the original condition in the DS question contain one variable. Now, one variable would generally require one equation to allow us to determine the value of the variables. We know that each condition would usually give us an equation, and since we need one equation to match the number of variables and equations in the original condition, the equal number of equations and variables should logically lead to the answer D. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find out whether n is an odd number if n is an integer. We will apply common mistake type 1, CMT1 here, as the answer will be in terms of a unique yes or no. Follow the second and third steps. From the original condition, we have one variable, n. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one more equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D is 60% likely to be the answer. Recall the 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that n is greater than 2, and n is a prime number. Now the only even prime number is 2, but n is greater than 2. So n has to be odd for it to be a prime number. The answer is unique, yes, so the condition is sufficient by the common mistake type 1, which means that the answer must be in terms of a unique yes or no. Condition 2 tells us that n minus 2 is an odd number. So, n minus 2 equals odd. That is, n equals odd plus 2. Since odd plus even equals odd, we get n equals odd plus 2, which equals odd, and yes as the answer. The answer is unique, yes, so the condition is sufficient by the common mistake type 1, which means that the answer must be 1 in terms of a unique yes or no. Each condition alone is sufficient. You should be able to solve this question with ease. So, D is the correct answer.